Hello and welcome to Hugo's How to Make the Hugo. This is our signature cocktail here and it is one of our most popular. Items that you will need are a pinch of mint, half a lime, elderflower liqueur, Prosecco, a gin, we use Bombay dry gin, a bar spoon, a gin balloon and some ice. To start off with, we are going to take our mint and we're going to put it in our palm and we're going to give it a good old slap. This reduces the aroma and the oils of your mint. You're then going to take your lime and you're going to squeeze your lime into your drink. Next, we're going to take our elderflower liqueur. This gives us our sweeter flavour. Our single shot of gin. We're then going to turn it around with our bar spoon to make sure that the mint juice and the lime aroma is mixed. We're going to add our ice. This helps chill down the alcohol. And then we're going to top with Prosecco. You are then going to need to take your bar spoon again to make sure that your Prosecco and your gin and your elderflower and your mint and your lime are mixed well. And there you have the perfect Hugo. Enjoy.